Onward. Hey Mia, you want to see me do a magic trick?
Yeah, show me a magic trick.
Alright, let me just set down my trusty camera. Put it up a little bit so you can see us. And... Oh!
Whoa!
How did I do it? How did I do it, Mia? That's magic. Alright, was that good? Oh God! Welcome to the Bahamas. All these fish, and we can't catch one. But get this on my neck. We are going to Folly Beach now, and it's I don't know, but we've been here for about 2 hours, and there's some people here, and they have said they haven't caught any all day. So we're gonna try Folly Beach. We're gonna go stop by, get some food, and then we're gonna go to Folly Beach or Folly, whatever it's called.
F this place, too cold, ain't getting nothing.
Not a bite.
Not even a bite.
So we're gonna go to Folly Beach now?
Folly Beach.
Alright, that works. Guys, I was just walking down to the next spot, and there is a dead grass carp right here. Who would do that? Just catch a grass carp and leave it out here?
Stupid ass!
It's actually pretty bad because they help clean out the pond. And this is a pretty good sized pond, so you're going to need as much as you can. Pretty sad. Here we go. Our first one of the day. It is freezing, but it's pretty fun. Another little dink. Ah. Alright guys, it is windy and cold, that's why I got this and this on to keep me warm. But what I was going to go over, it is winter time. Winter time is not my favorite time to bass fish. The bass are not as aggressive. They don't like to go into feeding frenzies as much. They'll be more calm, and they'll just slowly go around whatever they want to do. But good baits to use are jerk baits. If it's cold and clear water, a jerk bait is good to use. What I just caught my fish on first cast was a shaky head. Shaky heads are good too, and jigs. Stuff like that will be great. I just figured I'd let y'all know stuff to help y'all out if y'all are going fishing in the winter. Come on, buddy. Be my friend. Thank you.
It's recording.
You ready?
Yeah.
Come to me. Oh God.
Stupid ass!
Let him go.
What should we name it?
I don't know.
Let's get a close up. Is it blurry?
No.
It's not at all? That's good. Well, this is, what should we name it? Don't bite me.
Alright, let him go, let him go, let him fly.
You ready?
Yeah.
We gotta get it. Oh, the sunset's coming. Be free, Jeremy.